Yeah, I forgot buy one chip tomorrow. As I say, the business just a start. I forgot buy one chip tomorrow and put out the business number, right? But as for now, I only can take DMs. Alright, so I have this. You don't like it? You talk to me and tell me if you don't like them now. Please, and thank you. You don't like this? This is nice, enough. I sell this for your grand. Nice. $2,000 polish. Sorry for do that. I'm sorry. That's $2,000 for the one I do. For this, I sell this $2,000. That's what I want to do. $2,000.
What?
That's not actually signature.
What's your signature? Get out. Well, you'll learn.
Same. Now, TikTok is super. I'll give you a second here. Those nice. What's the price? $2,000 for this. This are $2,000. $2,000, baby. $2,000. Why you laugh off of me? Why you laugh off of me? Laugh for me. Yeah, ask me when I buy them. Have them. Yeah, support me. Yeah, buy one. Are you going to buy one? You don't need to know where I'm buying them. So just support me. Work more than no problem. Alright. $3,000. Alright. Guys, my business has started. So I'm like when I help you. Sorry, so I say it. I pay medium, I don't want to see no small. Medium. 2.5. Alright. Pay medium. 3,000 and nothing less. 3,000 and nothing less. Guys, and please support the live girl, guys. I have one look a wheel dive over here, so nobody can beg you look a futuristic wheel. Yeah, my price is under $3,000 and $2,000. What is selling? I'm selling some lingerie, baby, some panties and bras, some sexy wears. Guys, and I can't beg you look a futuristic wheel, please. Depends on how you buy it. Exactly that. Me I say that me not issue out no price yet. And me a price in my book. Me just a show the guys them. Me a price that in my book. Me just a show them. So I wanted a panty. Thank you, CC. Show the business. So I need a panty. The one in the kind of medium with the strings then. It's the one in a medium, guys. We'll look for the small one then. You know that weird one here. It's the one in a medium. We'll look for the small size one. And a sexy, that looks sexy on a big body girl. I like. It looks sexy on a big body girl. None of us model them. If me I sell me things, them I have to model them. Me I show them out to the world. Make when you price them, make me order. Of course, thank you, baby. We price them, I can know. You mean I must showcase them to the world, man. This is my business. I have to wear them and show them. All that wear that one, yeah? Well, you know the star want to put over on the titty. You can't put it over on the titty. You don't know the type of way there. Them and post them for my Instagram page. So everybody please follow the Instagram page, okay? Alright, please follow my Instagram page. They for my TikTok story. Please follow my page, guys. Everybody with on the live. Please follow my page. Wanna say about that one? I don't like that one, yeah? Alias Fashion. It for me story. That one is nice. Alias Fashion. It's on my story. It's a size small. Thanks, baby. Wanna like this? Guys, please follow the page. one robe. Let's see. You know, you tie a little part, you know? You put on here, just tie a little part around it, you know? You understand? Let's see what I want to. One little rubber, you put on a little panty and tie around. If we put on one shirt, I don't want to get banana.